and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today we are back in Sydney, Australia, and we are going to go to Luna Park. If you do not know what Luna Park is, it is the original Coney Island. So it's got a giant Ferris wheel, it's got rides, it's got games, it's got lots of fun, I hope. So we're going to head out and do that. We leave Sydney a week from today, so we only have one more cruise and then we have one more turnaround day in Sydney next week, and then we leave. We start a 23-day crossing across the Pacific Ocean to end in Seattle and do some Alaskan cruises. So needless to say, we are trying to tick off the final things from the Sydney bucket list, and Luna Park was definitely on them. Also, sorry if you can't really see my face. I have a hat on and it's blocking the light because I'm in my cabin. But anyways, yeah, so we're going to go to Luna Park, and naturally I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. So I hope you guys enjoy today's vlog, and let's get into it. First stop is the Ferris wheel. Oh, we just missed it. Oh, entry, here we go. Oh, I almost just lost a toe to a stroller. Let's do this. It is absolutely freezing because the wind is blowing, and you can see right there, we're right off the water. So, it's freezing. Hey Mel, are you cold?
Just a little bit chilly.
Yeah, it's a wee bit cold. So, the lines aren't long though, at least not yet. Thank you! Which way do I want to sit? I'll sit here. Oh, that chair was way higher than I was expecting. We're on.
Alright, stay seated everybody. Put your arms outside the car.
We're locked in like caged animals.
I'm scared.
Are you scared? There's literally a 2-year-old that got on right before you. Nah. The baby doesn't get a choice. The baby can't speak. Here we go.
Don't look down, Danielle. So pretty. Oh, we really rocky.
Let's see. So there's the Sydney Harbor Bridge. And then there's Sydney. And then if you see over there, there's the Opera House. Cool. Yeah, there's some people getting married, I think. Where are they? Oh yeah, right here. People getting married at the Coney Island Luna Park. That's a no. Circulating all the way around. Sorry if you can't hear me. It's really windy. Whee! Louise is clutching her bag for dear life. She's terrified. This is so cool. It's freezing and windy, but it's really cool. Yes. Yeah, I think we'll go around a few times. Ah! It's so scary! It's kind of crazy though that riding this Ferris wheel, and you can see the Sydney Harbor Bridge and the Opera House and our ship. Literally, the most amazing view. Probably a Ferris. Is the view on the London Eye? Is the view on the London Eye good? The London Bridge!
And Big Ben.
And Big Ben. So you can see cool stuff on that then too. Super. It's over. How do you guys feel?
They're ready for the next step.
Was it as scary as you thought it was going to be?
Yes, in the beginning. Yeah.
Mel, you seem enthused.
So exciting.
Now what are we going to go do? Well, I know what I'm going to do. I'm obviously going to go get junk food, because when you come to a place like this, you have to have junk food. And this one, Krabby Patty over here, needs a coffee.
Yeah.
So, then we'll figure out what ride we're going to do next. There's so many options. I might puke today, but that's...
This is Mitch Michaels reporting to you live from Queer TV, where she is going to be attempting the hair raiser. Whoa! hair razor. The hair razor. I'm not wearing it because I don't want to lose my bandana. And this is an ensemble, so I can't just take it off for like, you know, the ride. That's just not okay. This is an ensemble. I can't not do it. Okay. So, watch please.
I'm nervous. My shoe needs to be tighter.
Just take them off there. Just throw them off now.
If they fall off, I'll put them down.
And just... Reporting to you live from Spew Station. If they vomit on me, I will never forgive them. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And yep, their balls dropped.
It felt like we weren't going to stop. Oh my god. Oh, I got you. Oh, my throat hurts. I'm not going to be able to sing ever again. We were standing up there. We could breathe. And I was like, well, they put this thing so you can't see how high you are. So you don't know when you're at the top. That was terrifying. That was awesome.
No, I'm good. Thanks.
Okay, so our next ride of choice is called the Wild Mouse, and it basically looks like the world's oldest, jankiest roller coaster. But we're excited. Okay, Mitchell here thinks he's got jokes.
The oldest, rankiest little thing.
Yeah, rude. It sounds a little dilapidated, if you will. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. I feel like I'm gonna look huge in that car though.
Michelle's going alone.
I'll go by myself, yeah. Yeah?
Mitchell, do you want to go with us? Are
You want me to go with you? You want to come with me, Michelle? That's fine. Okay.
Luis is scared.
Mitchell, you going on your own then?
Sure.
Well, Mitchell's the man of the house, so. Oh yeah, get it, girl! Oh, this is gonna be awesome. I can't take my camera with me, so you guys are only gonna get the. Yeah, you have to leave your bag behind.
No, they told me no.
Oh.
Making me do this by myself. I'm the lady here.
I'm the lady here.
Well, I'm gonna see these fine fellas off before we go.
I
Bye! Have a fun time! So that ride was way more fun than I. Oh, they took a picture. Oh, that's absolutely hilarious. Oh, that's funny.
Look, Jesus.
I am Jesus.
I didn't realize it.
I saw it flash, but I didn't know what it was doing. That's funny.
She's like, where's my highlight? Where's my highlight?
Because I think we're lifting up on.
Oh,
Yeah, we really came out.
that is funny.
I didn't even realize.
Tara.
Hey, do you know that there are some rides here that you need closure?
Oh no. What? Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Apparently I can't ride all the rides, so we have to have closed-toed shoes. That music is loud. Apparently some of the rides you have to have closed-toed shoes, so I can't ride them all apparently.
Oh.
How is that any different? I'll shove my feet into your tiny ass shoes. Hello.
With this one, you have to wear like.
You guys can go ahead. I'll be here in peasant. Go. Yeah, come on. The floor is like moving at opposite sides.
That's a boss.
Jiggle, jiggle. Ah, Mitch and Louise, here they go. Oh, I suck. Yeah. Now but they go too fast. If I zoom in, I can't keep them in frame. So gotta do my best. It's hard.
Danielle, where are you? Okay, we can't see them yet, but they are at the top. Oh, there they are. Oh,
How is that for you guys?
well, it felt like I was in a corset.
You would like it because it's smooth. It's not like rough. It's not jerky. That was so fun. How are you feeling? You did? The whole thing? You cheater. That was fun. So this ride is called, what is it even called? High Voltage, and I'm too big of a chicken to go on it because any of these rides that go roundy round and spin like this, I will vomit everywhere, but the other four are way more brave than I, so they are currently gonna do it. I legit might even get sick just watching this. Huh? This is disgusting. Abso-freaking-lutely not. It looks like they kind of are the master of their own destiny on how much they spin. Nope. It's a big fat nope from me. That's exactly what I'm saying.
No way in hell.
No way in hell. They're running off, ready to get on right again. Absolutely not. Meanwhile, the old folks are taking forever just to get their bags. Let's get their hot off the press initial reactions to that ride. What's the reaction? Breaking news! Amazing! How was it?
I laughed so hard at her.
Awesome. You could hear you screaming over everybody. You
The whole time she was like, is it over yet? I'm like, well, obviously not.
I like they stopped and y'all were like sideways and I thought it was over and it looked like you were gonna go down and then all of a sudden they started spinning again the other way.
We're going the other way. No, I can't.
I did not go the other way.
Danielle, I wasn't secure. It came loose.
You're lying.
She was like, I feel like I'm gonna puke, and I was like, don't do it,
You're like,
please.
turn your head the other way, close your mouth. Not today. Not today. Guys, we are officially leaving Luna Park. Today has literally been one of the best days of my entire contract. I feel revitalized and energized and refreshed, and we laughed and laughed and laughed and just acted like kids and had the freaking best day ever. So I hope you guys got to see a little bit of the joy that today brought me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you had fun watching us be children again. And make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Until I see you guys in the next one, thanks so much for watching. Bye!